Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. You can see here, this is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? On this YouTube channel, which I'm introducing you to, you can see we've covered a very wide range of design. We've covered structural designs and detailings, mechanical and electrical service drawings. We've covered architectural drawings, we've covered road designs and water designs. Okay, so it's a very wide range of softwares. We have over 35 softwares which has been covered. Some of them are plugins, some of them are templates, some of them are actually softwares. Okay, so they cover a very wide range of design. As you can see, here we have the plan swift, which is for taking off. We have the protastructure for structural design. We have MS project for project management, okay, which is this. We've even gone far to even introduce the artificial intelligence roles, using roles for which has actually come to replace the use of Microsoft Excel. We have the SketchUp here. We have YQArc. It's actually a plugin. We have AutoLips, which is actually also a plugin in AutoCAD. We have CAD-RC. We have ArchiCAD, which is actually a very great software for architectural designs. We've covered Revit as well. All have been covered on this YouTube channel. It's a very great place in order for you to be. Okay, so I will encourage you to like, share and engage with our content, which is actually very rich, to actually give you deeper insight of what design it's all about. So if you are an architect, you are welcome to be here. If you are a civil engineer, you are in the right place. Okay, if you are a quantity surveyor, okay, you are actually in the right place. You are a mechanical and electrical engineer, you are also in the right place, because we've covered videos on mechanical and electrical service drawings. Okay, so make sure you stay safe and then you stay blessed. Make sure you like this video and share this video with your colleagues, with your friends. Okay.